grandparents can't access grand grandparents can't access its as sons and it as grandsons properties. Class A can't access class B and class C and class D properties. Class A can't access class B, class C and class D properties, but class D can process class D can access class B, class C and class A properties. Okay, next one. Class B can't access class B can't access class C properties, but class B can access class A properties. Very clear? Class B can access class A properties, but class B can't access class C properties, because class B parent is class A. So can access class B it parent properties, but class B can't access it as child properties like D properties. Class B can't access it as child properties like D properties. Are you clear? Now here entering here. Class C can access its parent properties like A properties. Class C can't access it as child properties like D properties. So class B and class C both can access class A properties. Class B and class C can't access C class properties. Class A can't access B, C and D properties. Please note it out. Class B can't access, one more rule, class B can't access class C properties. Class C can't access class B properties because both are unrelated. Are you clear? This is unrelated, but class B can access class A properties, class B can't access class D properties. Class C can access class A properties, but class C can't access class D properties. Finally, class A can't access its sons and grandson properties, like class A can't access B and C as well as D class properties also can't access. Class A can't access B, C and D classes properties. So these are definitions of inheritance. So you are known what is inheritance, what are the categories, each category rules, everything you are little bit you are now. I think before this explanation, after this explanation you have some ideas. I believe it. So thank you for watching this video.